Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Kids, first we're opening colors. So many colors. Wow. Nice colors. Stay with us. Cream color. The next one is yellow green color. Kids, now we open the color of Persian blue color. Lavender color. The next one is black color. And now we open the color of forest green color. Yes, baby blue color. Wow. Nice colors. Vivid purple color. Wow. Warm gray color. Kids, now we open the color of yellow. Yellow color. Stay with us. The next one is pale pink color. Geranium color. Kids, the next one is raw silk color. Now we open the color of emerald green. And the next one is coral red color. Stay with us. Coral red color. Wow, nice colors. Rose beige color. Yes, deep olive green color. Now we open the color of mint blue color. And the next one is scarlet color. Light violet color. Pastel pink color. Now we open the color of cool gray. Pale blue light color. And the next one is, the last one is vivid green color. So many colors. Wow. Nice colors. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Kids, first we're opening the color of scarlet color. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Scarlet color A. The next one is B. C. D. The next one is E. F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. Forest green color. G for God. And the next one is H. I for ice. J. Yes, K. L. M for moon, M for mango. N. And the next one is O. P. Q. R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye bye.